takutin ganyan.
A neighbor reported smoke coming from your oven. I need to check it myself.
What?
We have math homework due tomorrow. I'm stuck on question 7. Can you open the door so we can compare what we better than you anyway?
Di ba nag-iiba yung boss niya, no? Sabi niya. May plema ka, boy. Tapos, tapos,